Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you the FPS drop test in the bootcamp in the POCO F3 GT device. Let's see friends, how much FPS can it be dropped using this phone, which is a POCO F3 GT, which a lot of users are actually asking me this kind of question, what is the FPS drop test exactly in the bootcamp? That is what I'm going to show you. And during this time, I'm trying to use the smooth and extreme settings only. So not any kind of GFX tool, nothing at all. So 90 FPS, I'll try to do a review in another video. But right now, let's see. In this kind of bootcamp drop test, how much FPS it can actually get down. So this complete video I'll be dedicated only for the bootcamp drop test only. Only drop test I'm trying to do. Multiple times I'll try to show you friends exactly what is happening. So multiple times I'll try to drop exactly in same place and I'll try to show you. So how will this Dimensity processor is kind of behaving. This is another question which a lot of users did ask me. So right now it's a 55, 60. 55 and 60 FPS I'm getting right now, as you can see, 55 and 60 FPS during this process. Not bad, 55 and 60. Not bad, as you can see friends, in terms of the gameplay. So it did not drop much. It dropped, I think, just only 55 maybe. I did not see major drop in terms of the frame rates mainly. Yes, let me try to play the gameplay now for some time. Just a little bit gameplay only. I just want to play and let you know what is happening in this phone. And not bad. 59 and 60 FPS I'm getting consistently. I'm not that good at gaming friends, but definitely I'll do my best. So let's see what's happening here. 60 FPS and 59 FPS I'm trying to maintain. No issues, no problem. So again, I'll try to do one more drop test. Let me try to do the drop test. Let me try to quick the game. So because I thought of just showing you the drop test and some kind of gameplay, only a few minutes of gameplay exactly in the boot camp. So in this way, we'll be able to judge it, what is happening. And the temperature during this time, 37 degrees. So I'll try to do the battery draining test very soon. So battery draining test in the POCO F3 GT. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know how is the battery draining in this phone. So this is what a lot of users are actually waiting for, this kind of review as well. So let's see. So I'm trying to use the gyroscope sensor as well during this process of demonstration, just to show you how it's behaving. Not bad, it's kind of behaving good, no problem. So it's my second drop test which I'm trying to do. Let's see if in the second time how much the drop will be there. So I'll try to do the 3 times of drop test. So 3 times. So just drop and I'll try to play the game and then try to show you what is happening in this phone. Just for the demonstration purpose only. Let's see, right now I'm getting 59 and smooth, no problem. And let's see, so right now 59, 61. So before it was close to 55 FPS, I did see the FPS decreased, not bad. Right now 58 and 60. 58 I'm getting, 59, 60, no problem. 58 FPS, 59, 57, 56. 55, 57. So 57, 55 I did see the drop in terms of the FPS. That is the lowest I have seen in this phone. That's the one thing which I can definitely confirm that. So 55 and 57 FPS. That's the one thing which I can definitely confirm during this process of demonstration. As you can see, 57 and 55. That's it. Not much. So let me do the one more time. So anyway, I got out no problem, but I just want to focus only on the FPS drop test. I'll try to show you the exact settings what I'm trying to use. So smooth and XMs only, friends, doing this process of demonstration. So only that's the way only it's possible in this phone to get the 60 FPS in the POCO F3 GT, unfortunately. And the temperatures right now, let's see, the temperature is 37 degrees only. It increased not much. I'm trying to use the 4G SIM doing this process of demonstration in case if you want to know. So during the boot camp, I did see only drop up to 55. So 55 is the lowest one I did see. 55, 57, that's it. Not much. Not bad, I would say, in terms of the boot camp drop test. So I need to compare with other phones as well. So other phones like the iQOO 7 and other devices, Realme X1 Max, then I can definitely confirm you what is happening in this device. Let's see what will happen in this phone, and definitely I'll try to do the battery draining test as soon as possible, friends, for you all. So most of the users, they are actually waiting for this kind of battery draining review on this phone, so which I'll definitely do it very soon on this device. And these are the Realme sleeves which I'm trying to use, and they are not that great because my thumb is really big thumb and they're really small, and I can see, as you can see, it's kind of completely peeling off. I'll try to do the review on this one very soon, so stay tuned for this video. Let's see what is happening. And boot camp, exactly. Yes, I'll try to drop and I'll try to see what is happening when I try to jump. Let's see. And this is my final drop test. After this, I'll try to end this video. That's it. Let me do the drop exactly. Yes. And 59, 58 FPS I'm getting. 59, 58, 57. 58, 59, 50, 57. As you can see, 57, 58 FPS, 53. Just now it dropped to 53 as well. As you can see, it dropped to 53 as well. That's the one thing which I can definitely say. 53. This time I'm dropping other place. This time we got about lowest of 53. Is the lowest we did see here during this process of demonstration. So 53 is the lowest, friends, in the POCO F3 GT so far I have seen. That's it. I'm going to close this. I cannot see anything because of that FPS meter. But overall we did come to know that 53 is the lowest we have seen so far in the game. So I'm very bad at gaming. So this is the final review, friends, on the POCO F3 GT. The FPS drop was close to 53 and 55 in this POCO F3 GT. This is a complete review on this phone. So this is an initial review only. I'll be back with a complete review on the battery draining as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.